Hi guys, Ashish this side. In this video, I'll show you how you can create dynamic data validation list and apply VLOOKUP formula in Excel table. Let's open up the Excel file. Let's say this is our data. I've taken a small data set to give you explanation. So we want to create a drop-down list. So I'll go to the data tab, go to the data validation. I'll go to the drop-down menu, select the list. I'll click on source, select the source, hit enter, click OK, and my drop-down list is ready. Now I apply the VLOOKUP function is equal to VLOOKUP, lookup value. Then we'll give the table array. I'll freeze it. We need a date of joining. I'll select the third column. We want to look up for a exact match. I'll close the bracket, hit enter. Let's search for another person, Rashi. So data validation list is ready. If we want to search date of joining for any employee, we can simply select the value from the drop down menu and get the data from the same. Let's say we have added a new employee, APC 1038 Ashish. Just for testing purpose, I'll keep the same details. Since we have just added a new data, it will not give us option in the drop down menu. So you can see that. Now let's see how we can create a dynamic data validation list. Every time new data comes up, list should automatically expand. A similar data set is copied into from 8 to 13. Let's convert this data into Excel table to get the benefit of a dynamic drop down list. To create a table, I need to go to the insert. We have the option of a table. You can also notice the shortcut Ctrl+T. Since we have already headers, we will select that. If you untick this option, then Excel table will automatically add the column name 1, column name 2 sort of something. Since we have already headers, we will keep this tick on. I'll click OK. Once the data is converted into the table, it will give you option of a table design tab on. And if you click outside the range of a table, the tab will be deactivated. Now let's see how we can create a dynamic data validation list. I'll go to the data validation. We can also use the shortcut. Now let's use the shortcut keys Alt AVV. You can remember the shortcut or you can go step by step. Let's say I pressed Alt. Once you press the Alt key, the shortcut keys will be activated. For data, we need to go to the A. Then we need to go to the data validation for V. Then we need to go for data validation. Then again we need to press the V. Alt AVV. I'll press V. You need to select the list. You need to give the source. I'll click OK. So we have the data validation list now. Let's select one employee code. Now apply the VLOOKUP formula. It will be a little different from the range is equal to VLOOKUP. My lookup value will be same. You will notice that in table array it's taking table 1 and then the column name. So it is saying from employee code till date of joining. I'll select the table array, comma. We need a third column, comma. Then we are looking for an exact match. I'll hit enter. So this should be in a date format. To change that, either I can go to the drop down menu, select the date, or I can click this item number format, then select the date, or I can select the shortcut Control Shift hashtag and my date format will be there. Now let's see, we received a new database. We want our drop down list should be updated if we added a new database. Let's add a new database. I'll just simply copy paste the same database just we created for a range. Now if I go to my drop down list, it's updated now. and in the range, the data validation list was not updated automatically. That's it for the video. That's how you can create dynamic data validation list from a help of Excel table.